Hello everyone. Did you know that some communication apps allow you to export and import chats from one app to another? Today, I'll show you how to transfer a WhatsApp chat to Telegram. Open WhatsApp and select the chat you want to transfer to Telegram. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Choose the More option, and then tap on Export Chat from the list of options. At the bottom of the screen, find the Telegram icon and tap on it. Select the Telegram chat where you want to display the messages from the WhatsApp conversation. Telegram will briefly explain this feature and the process. Imported messages will appear with their original time and date. Both sides of the chat will be able to see them. Tap Import to proceed. Depending on the number of messages in the WhatsApp chat, this process may take some time. My transfer is already complete because the chat didn't have many messages. Here are my WhatsApp messages now in Telegram. Note that media files are not included in the exported chat. To wrap up, let me show you a side-by-side comparison of the WhatsApp and Telegram chats. This feature is great for keeping your conversations in one place and seamlessly transitioning between apps. Try it out for yourself and enjoy a smooth chat transfer experience. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel, and become a part of our digital family.